Tonight, we are witnessing a beginning. Jordan and Kylee have been loved and nurtured and disciplined and raised in preparation for such a day as today, a day to start their own family. They have gathered out of respect for God and in obedience to His command that has been from the very beginning.
Trying to talk, but I can't.
Marriage is so very much more special than a simple agreement between two people to live their lives together. We will soon hear vows that are going to be given and vows that will be taken. We will soon witness these vows and fully expect them to be kept. But the most important thing is that God is witnessing them. Upon giving them, God will join them into one, and He will never forget them.
Jordan, one of my favorite stories to tell is on our first date. You looked me in my eyes and told me that we would get married and have kids one day. I laughed to myself and even thought about it the next day. I'll never know how, but deep down, I always knew it would be you and always will be you forever. You have given me something I never thought I would experience in life, and that is true love and happiness.
I promise to always support any goal you may have and help you get to the finish line, even if it's going to the gym 3 times a day. I promise to love you daily and forgive you hourly.
I am so proud of you for chasing all of your dreams. You are so thoughtful, hardworking, and the best father to Brixton. Not to mention how handsome you are, and my favorite of all is how much you make me laugh.
I promise to work on myself daily to give you the best me I have to offer. I promise to love you forever.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jordan, may kiss your wife.
Floating high up on a feeling, whoa, oh, oh. Above the clouds where there's no rooftop, no ceiling, whoa, oh, oh. All I want, all I need is right here next to me. It can't get better than this. No, 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 no. It can't get better than this. No, 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 no. This is so divine, 'cause right now is the time for us to feel alive. This is heavenly bliss.
Life moves at an exponential rate with age. You know, as you get older, it seems like it flies. Just seems to get faster day by day and year by year. And it's moments like this that allow you to slow down and enjoy each other's company. So thank you guys for coming tonight. And thank you all of you for being such a positive influence on my life and Kylie's life.
As I look at both of you today, I'm overwhelmed with pride and happiness. And I speak for my entire family today when I say I could not have imagined a better life partner for my sister, and we are so thrilled to have you officially become a part of our family.
This is heavenly.